So I got the slippers for my 1-year-old and I realized it was difficult for her to walk in them. So I decided to recreate it and turn it into sandals for her so she could be comfortable walking in them. In this video, I had already turned the right foot into a sandal. That's why it wasn't pulling from her leg, but the left foot has not been worked on. So if you'd like to know how I achieved this, please don't go anywhere, keep watching. So for this project, you're going to be needing an elastic. The length of the elastic will be 6.5 inches because it is for a 1-year-old. So to start, I'm going to pass the elastic this way. Then I will use my needle and thread to sew. I'll sew it multiple times until I'm sure it is strong enough. Then I'll secure the thread like this. At this point, you can cut it off. I'm going to secure the thread again so that I can work on the other side of the footwear. I'll take the elastic to the other side and start sewing just like I did the first time. Once you are sure it is strong enough, you can secure the thread and cut it off. At this point, you can leave it this way, but I'm going to be fixing some beads to it. To start beading this, make sure you secure your thread properly. Pass it through the elastic like this. Pick a bead and pass it back through the elastic. The space you will have will depend on how wide you want the distance between the beads to be. So you are going to continue like this until you've beaded the entire elastic. Once you're done, secure your threads properly and cut off the thread. Voila! Our sandals is ready to be used. Your baby can rock this to any casual event. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. Feel free to leave your video suggestions in the comment section below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Until I come your way again, keep staying fabulous. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.